Empower your mind. The mindfulness motivation you need. Welcome to Motivational Inform. Today we're diving into how mindfulness can empower your mind, fuel your motivation, and keep you grounded on your path to success. When you empower your mind, you unlock new levels of resilience, clarity, and focus, all essential to achieve your goals. Let's explore how you can use mindfulness as your ultimate source of motivation. Why mindfulness is key for mental empowerment. Mindfulness is more than staying calm. It's about gaining control over your mind, training it to be present, focused, and resilient. When you practice mindfulness, you're empowering yourself to navigate challenges with greater strength and clarity, allowing you to stay motivated no matter the obstacles. Take time each day to practice a simple mindfulness exercise like deep breathing to center yourself and strengthen your mental focus. 2. Reclaim your focus and boost motivation. With mindfulness, you can reclaim your focus and find motivation even in the most challenging moments. When you're fully present, you're more likely to make intentional choices and stay committed to your goals. This focus becomes the fuel for daily motivation. Start each day with a few minutes of mindful reflection, setting your focus and intentions. This practice will guide you through the day with purpose. 3. Using mindfulness to stay positive and persistent. Mindfulness also empowers your mind by helping you stay positive and persistent. When you're mindful, you can observe negative thoughts without letting them take control, keeping you resilient and optimistic. This is key to maintaining motivation over the long term. Try a gratitude exercise at the end of each day. Reflect on 3 things you're grateful for. This mindfulness practice can boost your positivity and motivation. Fourth, simple mindfulness practices to empower your journey. To make mindfulness a part of your journey, start with simple daily practices. Mindful breathing, visualization, and reflective journalism can all help empower your mind and keep you motivated. Remember, every step you take is progress toward a more focused, resilient, and motivated self. Set aside 5 minutes each day to visualize your goals. Picture yourself achieving them and the impact that success will have on your life. Empowering your mind through mindfulness can unlock levels of focus, resilience, and motivation you never thought possible. Use these practices daily and watch how they transform your journey. Thank you for watching. Motivational Inform. If you're ready to empower your mind and boost your motivation with mindfulness, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your experience in the comments. Let's continue to motivate and empower each other on this journey.